Now start exercise 1.3. Exercise 1.3, question number 1. Make correct statement by filling the symbol subset or not subset. This is read as subset and this is read as not subset. So fill subset or not subset. First 2, 3, 4 and next first is left side 2, 3, 4 and fill in the blanks, and right side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Since each element 2, 3, 4 belong in this set, 2, 3, 4 belong in here 2, 3, 4. So this set is the subset to that. So here write subset, this symbol. So if every element of this set belong in that set, then this is the subset of set of other set. Previous classes I discussed subset. So next second ABC and BCD, second not subset. Third X such that X student of class 11th of your school, and right side X such that X student of your school. The right side a student of your school, that is whole students from KG to 12th, and left side only those students who study in class 11th. So left side set every element belong in right side set. So third is also subset. Third is third subset. Similarly other, you check that. And question number 2 also, examine whether the following statements are true or false. First, question number 2, first part, this AB is not subset BCA. Both elements belong in that set. AB belong in A or B here. So this is the subset of this, but here given not subsets. So this statement is false because it is a subset, but it is given that not subset. So false. Second, AE and right side X is a vowel in English alphabet. The vowel that is A, E, I, O, U. So AE belong in that set. So this is a subset. So second is true. Third, same as third 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 5 not subset. So third is false because 2 belong in not right side set. So not subset. Here third is 1, 2, 3 and given subset 1, 3, 5, no, false, because this 2 belong in not in this set. So not subset, but right here subset. So it is a false statement. And fifth, this curly bracket closed A belongs to A, B, C, no, this is false because A belongs to ABC. ABC any set having 3 elements, then these are the element. This is any set ABC having 3 elements, then these are the element. And suppose this set A, then we say that A belongs to set A. This curly bracket A not belong in set A. Only 3 elements A, B and C. This curly bracket closed is the subset of set A, the subset. But right here curly bracket closed belongs to this. So false statement. This also false. Question number 3. Set A given 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So set A given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So first you count how many element in this set. आप काउंट करके मन में रखें, इसके बाद हम डिस्कस करते हैं. You count how many element of this set. Count total number of students, total number of elements. Count it. Okay, now check. किसी किसी का आंसर आ रहा होगा 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. किसी का आंसर आ रहे होंगे 4. So 5 is wrong. Here total number of element, one element, this second element, this whole is third element. 3, 4, both are combined form. So combined 3 form is an one element, and this one is the next element. So total number of element 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 elements, and this 3 belongs to set A or not? Not belongs to. 3 not belongs to set A. Here 3, 4, because 3 and 4 both are in combined form. So 3, 4 combined form belong in set A. Here 3, 4 combined form belong in set A. And 1 belongs to set A. This is true. This is true. This 3, 4, 3 not belong in, 3, 4 belong in set A, 2 belong in set A. This curly bracket 1 belong in set A or not? No, this is false. 1 belongs to set A. देखो किसी सेट का जो एलिमेंट हैं उसमें आप कर्ली ब्रैकेट क्लोज कर दोगे तो दैट आर द सबसेट ऑफ दैट सेट. हियर 1 बिलोंग्स टू ए, दैट इज 1 इज द मेंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट ए. आप इसमें कर्ली ब्रैकेट क्लोज कर दोगे तो दिस इज द सबसेट ऑफ सेट ए. दिस इज ए ट्रू स्टेटमेंट. यानी आप एलिमेंट को कर्ली ब्रैकेट से क्लोज करोगे दैट आर द सबसेट ऑफ सेट. सो हियर 3, 4 belongs to set A. 3, 4 belongs to set A. This 3, 4 belongs to set A. ये 3, 4 combined form set A का एलिमेंट है. एलिमेंट में कर्ली ब्रैकेट से क्लोज कर दोगे दैट आर द सबसेट. सो यदि हम कर्ली ब्रैकेट से क्लोज कर दिए 3, 4 ये हम क्लोज कर लिए कर्ली ब्रैकेट से, दैट आर द सबसेट ऑफ सेट ए. तो आप एलिमेंट को यदि कर्ली ब्रैकेट से क्लोज कर दोगे देन दैट इज द सबसेट ऑफ ए सेट. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 आप इस टाइप से लगा लोगे. जैसे क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 yeah, set A given 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and 1, yes, 8th is here 1, 2, 3 subset of set A. 1, 2, 3 subset of set A. No, this is false. Answer is false. Because here 3, 4 both are in combined form. 3 और 4 मिला करके वो 1 एलिमेंट है. आप 3, 4 को अलग अलग नहीं कर सकते हो. यह 3 यहाँ पे अलग से लिखा हुआ है. तो दिस इज नॉट ए सबसेट ऑफ ए. फॉल्स. ओनली ऐसा होता 1, 2 दिस इज सबसेट ऑफ सेट ए. यह हो गया ट्रू. बिकॉज 1 and 2 बोथ आर एलिमेंट ऑफ सेट ए. अब एलिमेंट को कर्ली ब्रैकेट से क्लोज करोगे दैट आर द सबसेट ऑफ सेट ए. 9th 5 belongs to set A. Check that A having any element 5. A set having any element phi? No. So this is a false statement. And 10th, phi is subset of A. Previous classes already discussed. Null set, phi means null set, and null set is the subset of any set. So phi is the subset of set A. So this is true statement. This is true. Question number 4. Remaining question homework. Question number 4. Write down all the subset of the following sets. So I discussed previous example. Fourth part. Write all subset of set. Here set given phi. So subsets of phi. Subsets of phi is equal to, since phi is the subset of all sets, so first write subset phi, then single element, but phi having no element, so subset of phi only one subset of phi. And same question number 5. If A is equal to phi, then how many element of P of A? How many element of P of A? Number of element of power set of A. When set is phi, then total number of subsets is equal to phi. So number of element of P of A is equal to 1, because first find P of A, that is power set of A. So write all subsets. So all subset, that is only phi. Phi is the subset of every set. So phi is the one element in P of A, and close this curly bracket, because power set is the set whose all elements is the subset of set A. So this is a power set. Then count total number of element of power set of A. How many elements? 1. And total number of subsets, also formula 2 to the power n. Total number of element in power set is same as total number of subset of that set, and total number of subset is equal to 2 to the power n, and n is the number of element. So how many element in subset? How many element? Subset P of A, this is P of A. How many element? A is equal to phi, and how many element? First phi, and next P of A. 1 minute. Here A is phi, so write power set of A. So first write subset of set A. Subset, that is subset of phi, is phi, only one element. Here count the total number of subsets, only one subset, that is only one element. So this equal to number of P of A is equal to 1, total number of subsets, that is this can written 2 to the power 0. 2 to the power 0 is equal to 1, and 0, that is number of element of set A. Since A is equal to phi, so this imply number of element A is equal to 0, having no element. So this can return 2 to the power 0 also. So number of P of A is equal to 1. Next question, question number 6. Question number 6. Write the following as interval. And first is x such that x belongs to R, comma, -4 is less than x less equal to 6. Write the following as interval. Since here x real number and the value of x greater than -4 and less equal to 6. So interval is left side open interval and right side up to 6. So right side closed interval. बिकॉज दिस इज इक्वल टू, जहाँ तक इक्वल टू है क्लोज इंटरवल, स्ट्रिक्टली लेस और स्ट्रिक्टली ग्रेटर ओपन इंटरवल. सो दिस इज द इंटरवल 4 6. सेम एज second is minus 12 less than x less than minus 10. Here strictly less than, so its interval is open interval -2 to open interval -10. Both are open, not here any equal to, so both are open. जहाँ पे equal to होगा close interval, जहाँ पे strictly less strictly greater open interval. And same as question number 7th. Question number 7th, suppose thought interval given 6 and 12. This is the interval and write in the following set builder form. That is इस फॉर्म में गिवन है और ऐसा नोट करना है, इसके फॉर्म में नोट करना है. इसको आप कैसे लिखोगे? होल एलिमेंट सपोज x such that x belongs to R is a common. Now define the value of x. So x is greater than 6 and less equal to 12. So x is greater than 6 and less equal to 12. Here equal to, because here bracket is closed. So write here sign equal to. Same as remaining question. Question number 8. What universal set would you propose the each of the following? Universal set. First, the set of right triangles and the set of isosceles triangle. Since universal set is the biggest set, so universal set, that is write a set which is the superset of all given set, that is superset of right triangles and superset of triangle isosceles. So universal set of triangle. Set of triangle means all triangle lie in that set. Isosceles, scalene, equilateral, right angle triangle, all triangles. So question number 8, universal set is equal to set of triangle. Set of triangle. This is the universal set. So and exercise. Next question number 9. Given A given, B given, C given, which of the following may be considered as universal set S for all the three sets A, B, C? A, B, C. A given 1, 3, 5, B given, C given. Universal set, that is superset, means biggest set. Here 1 not a superset because 8 belong in C, but 8 does not belong in this set. Second, no. Here third is the superset. Third is the superset. Question number 9. Third is the superset because all the element of set A, B and C lie in third. Third is 0, 1, 2, so on up to 10. All the elements of set A, B and C lie in this set. So this is the superset. And this superset is called a universal set. So this exercise completed. Now next start Venn diagram. Okay.